Today, we are going to discuss 4 games every coder should play to level up their coding game. Code Hunt is an educational game that teaches beginners how to code while also having fun solving puzzles. The game includes a series of coding challenges that players must complete by writing code in either Java or Python. As players progress through the game, the puzzles are designed to gradually increase in difficulty. Cyber Dojo is an online platform that provides a variety of programming exercises and challenges for both experienced as well as inexperienced coders. These exercises are intended to help coders improve their problem-solving skills, improve their coding skills, and learn new programming concepts and techniques. Elevator Saga is a fun and challenging game designed to help you improve your JavaScript programming skills. The game is set in a building with multiple elevators that must transport people to their desired floors as quickly as possible. Lightbot is a fun and engaging puzzle game that uses interactive gameplay to teach players the fundamentals of programming. The player will learn fundamental programming concepts such as functions, loop, and conditional statement as they progress through the levels.